This screen capture is for resizing a document for printing in Adobe Photoshop. So we have Adobe Photoshop open, of course, and we want to open a document. Alt-O, go with that one. So when you have View, sometimes it just pops up with something like that, and you don't know which document it is. So over here, small window, go large icons, and that will bring up anything that's a photograph. Hit open. Over here we have measurements. In inches, we're going to change it to centimeters. This photo was taken on a phone. It's coming in at 72 pixels per inch. That's not the best size to save this document when it goes to print. It will be half the size that you expected. So we're going to change the width in centimeters to 20 and the height into 29. Now we're going to double that to 144. 144 is minimum printing size, so you can change that to 300. So now it's actually bigger than it originally was. Okay, it was with portions off. So let's do it again. Image size. See here, this little links. If they're on, they will constrain the proportions, which means they will keep the side and the height relative to each other. Hit OK. Now, if we want to print that, that should fit nicely in an A4 sheet of paper. There we go. So see how it's got a little white border around it if it was printing on A4. So we go into print settings, best, so in advanced, paper size A4. So you need to make sure that the sheet, the paper coming out is the right size. Now down here, further down, we've got scale to fit media. Now that's the quickest, easiest way to anything if it's wrong. So if I hit that, it's not going to do a thing because we've scaled it to fit the media. 29 by 20 in centimeters. Or if you're in America, 11.5 will do it by 8. Portrait and landscape. So make sure you've got the right orientation picked. Print.